Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Onyxcoin, but most importantly, incorporating some of Bitcoin's movement and the charts as well to really determine where Onyxcoin is going to go. Because all of us know that whenever Bitcoin is going up, we do see other altcoins joining in as well. So let's quickly take a look at the overview for price for Onyxcoin. So currently right now we're trading at 0.01713. We are up 4% in the last 24 hours, and we do see a surge of the volume here at 57%. So volume is up 57% in the last 24 hours. This does kind of clue us in that there is suggested buying interest going into Onyxcoin. Now, again, we are going to take a look at Bitcoin here really quick before we go into Onyxcoin's price prediction. But right now, Bitcoin is trading at $89,145. Now, if we take a look at the overall volume when it comes to Bitcoin, we see 3% down so far for the price, and then the volume itself is up 24 hours. It's 63% here. So we can really see that the battle between the buyers and the sellers is going for real here on Bitcoin. So quickly taking a look here on the chart itself. These are my two targets here. If Bitcoin can regain momentum on the buying side and can reclaim and close above our 92,000 here, then essentially the bull market is going to break out and we're going to see Onyxcoin break out as well. We have seen 92,000 here dated back from November of last year as an area of resistance. And then trickling down through the timeline, we can already see it has been a good area of support until we broke through it on February 24th. Now, area of resistance here, if we are going into a bear market temporarily for Bitcoin, this is going to be a dropper here for 85,000. So if we do see a drop for Bitcoin and prices coming retracing down to 85,000, we're going to see a drop here for Onyxcoin as well. Going into the actual Onyxcoin chart here, we do see price itself found very nice support around 0.01452. Now, again, this area here, as we trace back to January 17th, my birthday, we saw a good area of resistance and then finally broke out on January 23rd. So as this resistance turned into support now, we can use that for future predictions as well for areas of support and resistance. So after this high here that we can see, prices come up and it's failing to close and maintain our 20 moving average here. It came up as high as 0.01837 here. And this is kind of comes into question for me, and definitely let me know in your thoughts below. Is Onyxcoin being manipulated by the market? Because as we can see, price comes down and we see these huge spikes here. But not only that we do see huge spikes, but we see these long wick candlesticks, and long wick candlesticks at the top and at the bottom shows us a lot of manipulation where a lot of people, the price itself is bought drastically in this time frame, and then we see a huge sell-off. So we see this candlestick or the body mainly at the very bottom here. So this could be manipulation in the market. Again, definitely let me know down below what your thoughts are in this. But essentially, when we're taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, key area of resistance here is still going to remain the same at 23% of our Fibonacci at 0.0183. We're not going to see any major movements until Onyxcoin can be able to break through this barrier of resistance and then trickle higher. Again, comes into play for Bitcoin. If we see a rejection around 90,000 and continue to close below that 90,000, we're most likely going to see Onyxcoin come down and retest that 0.01452. Now, if we see Bitcoin here gain some traction, we've seen some bullish aspects in the 4-hour time frame here. We've seen a close above or cross above our signal line in the last 2 sessions here. It was considered as oversold, so there may be a temporary bounce, a temporary relief here for Bitcoin, and we see momentum itself on the MACD indicator getting lighter in color. So the sellers itself may be coming down, cooling off a little bit, and bending off to the buyers. Now, in the last 4-hour session, we see a high peak here at 93,000. So we're just a few I want to say a few thousands, but it could be a big thing for other people. But we are a few thousands away from the 92,000. And if we are seeing another retest of that, it may trigger some buyers in breaking that 92,000 threshold. In that case, if we do see a break at 92,000, then we may see Onyx coin come up closer to that 38% of our Fibonacci at 0.019. However, if we see Bitcoin here kind of capped up, 92,000 isn't going to make it, we see a major rejection, we come down, then most likely again the support here is going to be tested around 85,000 for Bitcoin, and our bottom resistance or support line is going to be tested once again around the 0.014. Depending on how aggressive the buyers can get over at Bitcoin, we may see a drop as well closer to 0.013. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below. I almost feel like Bitcoin is just amping up to hit that 92,000 mark, but let me know what your thoughts are down below. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.